What date is today? Friday the 6th. How do I sound like that? The 6th. I just finished hiking and my braids are super fresh, so I'm like really loving them right now. Boo. Me and my boo, we riding all up in the coupe, up beside me. Zoe didn't get a chance to go on the hike because she loves people and she loses her mind anytime a human is even in her path. She acts like she doesn't know how to listen, so now she's grumpy because she didn't get the chance to go on a hike. Bo went because he does not care about people. He only cares about dogs, and he minds his business when he's on his hike. So he's tired, right, Bush? You're tired? Oh, tired boy. This is from the November collection from Fabletics. It's got some cute pink detailing. I'm gonna go ahead and change and then head over to the office and not change, I need a shower. I'm gonna go ahead, shower, change, head over to the office, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full tour of the new office. I'm so excited. I just finished getting ready. I wanted to show you guys this one's Fabletics options. Y'all know I come through with the outfits. Okay, this is cute. This is a power hold legging. It's got this like jacket that matches the colors. Obviously, it's drawstring, so I made it tight. It's got pockets. Look how cute this set is. I don't think I have a full-on baby blue set like this in my workout clothes yet, so I am loving this color. This fit is making me look very like curvy today, okay? I feel very curvaceous. If you guys haven't joined Fabletics, you guys already know the deal. For this month, when you join VIP, you get 70% off everything. So let's head over to the office. Quick, cute little office tour. I recently just invested in an office space for myself because I need that separation between work and home. And quarantine really hasn't helped, so I have got this new office now, and I wanted to share with you guys and show you guys the little cute little laid out things that I have planned. Obviously, this is the living room. I'm gonna put like a little waiting area here where people can like just chill and wait out. Over on this side, I'm gonna have my assistant's desk set up here. And then back there, I'm getting this amazing table. I wanna make sure this place doesn't feel too crowded and too like stuffy, so that's it. Okay, so when you come in here, cute little like almost nook area right here. I don't know how to explain it, but I know what I wanna do to it. I actually went furniture shopping the other day and I bought this mirror. Oh, this is cute. Hello. This is really cute. I don't know why I kind of like this mirror.
I love that.
Yeah, this mirror is kind of cute. Huh. Is this a doggy bed?
I think yeah.
Stop. Stop. I might just have to get this for Zoe. This is adorable.
There's no way it's for a human.
This
Just way too low.
I don't believe it. Is this really a doggy bed? I have the perfect space for this.
That's so cute.
So I'm not supposed to be looking for dog things, but I'm about to buy this dog bed. It is adorable. So that's like one of the first things I'm getting is a dog bed. It's not creepy at all. What is this? I feel like I'm walking into a place that I shouldn't be. Oh, it does look like your intestines. Oh my god, that's so creepy. So we are here at the last store. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Patio furniture over here. This is cute. Oh, this bedroom is kind of cute though.
I love that bed.
I picked out this really pretty wallpaper. Still waiting for it to get here, obviously. I'm gonna wallpaper it and then I'm gonna add like a little glam room. It's almost like gonna be like a little mini glam room situation for like fittings and all that good stuff. Hence why we have a full length mirror here. We got the office kind of the office, if that makes sense. Anthony does all my editing right now. Here is just the bathroom. Very simple, very nice, random. It's just a bathroom, it's a bathroom. And then the last room that we have in here is where all the magic happens. This is my studio. This is my background. We've got my table, which is this table is like my favorite table. Look how much space I have although I still have all that other stuff there. And then my lights, the camera, monitor, little dog bed here. You guys know I have doggies. I don't think Bo could fit in there, but you know, he'll be fine. Last room. This is the closet where I'm gonna keep all of my makeup. Right now it's very all over the place because I haven't gotten a system in yet to organize all of it. This bathroom, no one's really gonna use. I'm the only one that's usually in this room, so it's just there to look nice. When I started thinking about office spaces, I didn't want anything to happen to where I couldn't actually have access to my equipment, to create content, to keep working if I wanted to. If I have to create content and keep working. It was probably best to just rent another apartment, something smaller, something more compact, and put my studio in there and my office and everything. And then, yeah, here we are. So that is pretty much it for today's video. Really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lots of love. Keep an eye out for a fully furnished office tour. It's gonna be lit. If you have not seen my inspo board on Pinterest, make sure you guys check that out. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm literally about to put in here in the next week or two. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lots of love, and I will see you guys next time.